Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future videos. Today I am going to show you how to make a Korean sheet mask at home. The sheet mask will moisturize your face and make your face white and bright. As you know, the sheet mask is the latest Korean beauty craze, which will give you instant and great result. So if you don't want to buy the expensive sheet mask from the market, then this video is for you. For the sheet mask, you need this compressed sheet mask. It's really cheap. You can find it on Amazon. You will get in one packet. You will get a 50 or 100. So you need this sheet mask. For this sheet mask, we need one, and we need this rose water, aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and 2 tablespoons rose hip oil. We need a 4 tablespoons of rose water, one tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and we need a 2 drops of rose hip oil. Mix it very well. And put the compressed sheet mask. So the compressed sheet mask will soak all this solution and keep it for 5 minutes. So now let's unfold this sheet mask and I will show you how to apply it. Make sure before applying the sheet mask, make sure your face is clean. In this sheet mask, you have to keep it for 20 to 25 minutes. And after 20 to 25 minutes, just remove it and massage your face for 2 to 3 minutes and let it dry normally. So try this DIY Korean sheet mask at your home and share your result in the comment section below. Please like my video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.